Starting in the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, who is the King of kings, who is the Lord of lords. My name is Tanveer and my father name is Lauddin. I live in Sisai Mamun Bajawar. I am a student of class 4th at Al Qalam Education Academy. Currently, I am learning the English language with Sir Saeedullah at Al Qalam Education Academy. Today, I am standing with my friend Mr. Ammar. I am going to ask him some questions. Are you ready? Yes, I am ready. How are you? I am fine. What about you? I am also good. Please tell me something about yourself. My name is Ammar Yasir and my father name is Qari Gulnoor. I am a student of class 4th at Al Qalam Education Academy, Tani Mamun Bajawar. Currently, I am learning English language with Sir Saeedullah at Al Qalam Education Academy, Tani Mamun Bajawar. How many siblings do you have? I have one brother and one sister. Do you like your school? Yes, I like my school. Who is your best teacher? My best teacher is Saeedullah.